Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A54 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access lock screen section. In it, tap on lock screen type at the top and select the best locking method for you, PIN, password or pattern. Now you need to create it and choose continue at the bottom right corner. Then repeat it in order to confirm it and click confirm. Lastly, manage lock screen notifications or even switch them off completely by tapping on this switcher at the top. You can switch them back on the same way. When you're ready, click on Done. And over here, select Turn on or Cancel in the pop-up. Lastly, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!